So what's up, guys? Hello guys, and welcome to Forex Success. Just to let you know, the step in their strategy, it's very powerful. So just want to show you that our step in the strategy, it's a very powerful strategy and it works perfectly. So I want to show you the trades I took using the step in the strategy. I told you the moment the blue moving average cross above the chart, you get a sell, and when it cross below the chart, you get a buy following the condition, which are the overbought level and yellow and red moving average crossing intersecting each other. So guys, to get the tutorials for this video, click on the link at the description so you get the full details on how to set the strategy, on how to use the strategy. It's a very powerful strategy for stepping this. So these are the trades I took today using the step in the strategy. You can see this is a step in this trades. So once the conditions are met, I place a buy for the buy. Okay, you can see on profit the buy step in this. So once the conditions are met, I place the buy and profit for the sell. Once the blue moving average, this crossed above the chart, and the red moving average is above the yellow moving average, and it's at the overbought level, I place a sell and look, profit also. So these are the trades for today, the trades I took today. So I'm just showing you. So let me show you the other accounts. Yeah, the other accounts, the trade also for step index. So look, step index sell, you can see profit, the step index buy and sell again, just following this simple instruction. Following just this simple instruction, guys, you can make profit for yourself. So check out the video on the link below, step index strategy, so you can see just following this simple instruction I make money. You can see today $50 profit. For the other accounts today, $73 profit. So that's it, guys. You can make money too using step in this powerful strategy. So guys, check the link, click on it and watch the video, and remember not to skip any part of the video so you not miss any part. Yeah, it's a very powerful strategy. You can see I'm just showing you guys so you know, yeah, the strategy, it's really powerful. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that thumbs up button. Make sure give good comments on this video. Thank you, guys. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video or strategy. So thanks, guys, for watching, and one love.